wanna talk to you. I just know I found myself getting lost with you. Lately you just made me work too hard.
Hey guys, I'm going to talk to you today about the most important thing in the day. What is it? Your evening routines. Those moments before you go to sleep, you feel so tired, but you know you have to do something that will make you look much better tomorrow, and your skin will love you for that. As a 46-year-old woman, I try to apply the best routines that I learn about, so my skin will look healthier and dewy and youthful, and I really want to share all those secrets with you. So stay tuned, here it comes. First thing first, cleaning. The cleaning process is very important for us to take off all the dirt that we accumulated throughout the day, and of course residues of makeup. What I use is Emma Hardy Amazing Face Moringa Cleansing Balm. I can't describe how good it smells. It's just delicious. It smells like, I don't know, kind of the flower of oranges and something amazing. I just can't stop smelling it. As you can see, I used most of it, and I want to tell you some things about this product. This cleansing balm is a luxurious daily cleanser that works to lift away makeup and impurities while revitalizing dull skin. Enriched with antioxidant, moringa seed extract, wild sea fennel, and vitamin E. The nourishing balm delivers balancing, hydrating, and purifying properties. It performs a deep cleanse, eliminating eye and face makeup, while decongesting and refining the appearance of pores. It also contains a cocktail of grapeseed and sweet almond oil, rich in essential fatty acid to help plump and soften the complexion. Infused with orange, neroli, mandarin, jasmine, and rose essential oils to rejuvenate and condition while calming the senses. This is why it smells so good. Also doubles as a hydrating treatment mask if left on for 10 minutes. I'm in love with this product, and of course I love the smell, as I told you, and I just take just a bit and I massage it into my skin, and then I clean it with a cloth. I know that they will try to convince you when you buy balms, and especially the Emma Hardy balm, they will try to convince you to buy their special cloth as if it's the only cloth in the world that can do the job. No, any most simple cloth can do the job. This cloth is made from microfiber, but what is the job? The job is really cleaning and exfoliating very gently your skin while you're washing it from the balm. So you take the cloth, you just wet it, and when the balm is on your face, you just clean the balm with this towel, okay? And you clean the towel with water, and then again you clean any residue of the balm and makeup. This is very important because it gives you a very gentle exfoliation that really cleans the skin and prepare it to the next stage in the routine. Sometimes when I feel my skin has accumulated dirt and I want to exfoliate a little bit and I feel like I need some boost to the skin, then I use this one. The AHA BHA cleanser revitalizes skin by gently exfoliating and polishing away dullness. 3 exfoliating agents, salicylic acid, lactic acid, and glycolic acid, reveal younger looking skin by loosening dulling buildup on skin's surface. Jojoba beads polish away debris, dryness, and roughness, while moisturizing agent sodium PCA attracts water to the skin to help it retain plumpness and elasticity needed to function as a strongly healthy barrier. Next, I use a glycolic acid. I use it only on special areas of my face where my pores are more visible. This area of the cheek and here, kind of the T-zone, you know, over here, this is it. This is the places I put the glycolic acid. I have 2 products to show you that I love the most. One of them is this product. This is glycolic facial cream. by glycolics. It has 15% glycolic acid, and it has also liposomal vitamins A, C, E, and CoQ10. This cream is very potent. I will leave you links for this product so you can see where you can buy it. And sometimes I alternate it with another product that is a glycolic acid by Paula's Choice. This is a brand that I really love and I really trust. I recommend for you to get to know this brand, Paula's Choice. I will leave you links in the description box as well. This product is a weekly resurfacing treatment, 10% alpha hydroxy acid, which is a glycolic acid, and lactic acid is as well, and AHA. And I don't know if you heard about the differences between the AHA acids and the BHA acid, which is salicylic acid. I mostly use glycolic acid because from my experience, it's the best thing, helping my skin with the dullness and enlarged pores. Salicylic acid is not good for me. It's making me very red and burning my skin very easily, so I don't use that. Of course, you should try on your skin, you know, salicylic acid, glycolic acid, and see what is the best thing for your skin to maintain your skin youthful and rejuvenated. After I finish with applying the acids, I put on serums and moisturizers. I love using this one by Nooks. This serum is perfect for use on the face or eye contour area. The serum reduces the number, length, and depth of expression of lines whilst providing your skin with a healthy glow, delivering an immediate smoothing action to lines and wrinkles. This expert lifting serum fills in firm and tighten to leave your skin looking more youthful. Twice a week I use retinoids. It's a very, very strong player in the anti-aging game, and you should know about this. I'm going to link to you right away my video that talks all about retinoids and everything you need to know, all the important things. I hope you enjoyed my video and you find it informative. Subscribe to my channel by clicking this button and click the notification button so you will see my next videos. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.
I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn, but I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it.